In this video, I will guide you how you can create a Wix website. So first of all, search for wix.com on any browser that you are using, and you just need to click on get started on the top right corner if you haven't signed up for Wix, and simply enter your email, or you can also continue with Google or with Facebook. Now once you have signed up with your Wix account, you just gonna need to first of all start by choosing which type of website do you want to create for your business. So first of all, make sure to select the right category, because if you don't select the right category and you select a wrong template, you need to start over again. So I recommend you to make sure to select your right category and then click on the continue button, and once you continue, this will gonna take few seconds to load our dashboard. And after choosing our category, this will gonna ask us to first of all enter our store name. You can go with anyone that you want to go with and click on the continue button. So first of all, you can also connect your particular domain, like if you have purchased domain from Namecheap, GoDaddy or Hostinger, you can also connect, but it's a paid feature from the Wix, so you need to keep that in mind. Otherwise, for now, this is the dashboard which we can see all kind of analytics, sales, catalog and marketing or automation options. But for now, click on the design side on the top right corner of your screen, and now we have two options. Either we can generate our design with AI, or we can customize a pre-existing template. Now if you have a kind of like unique idea of your own that you cannot find in the templates, I recommend you to then go with the AI, because nowadays AI is much more helpful and advanced, so you can rely on the AI and simply click on the generate a design. Otherwise, if you only want a normal store, you can simply click on the pick a template. Now if you don't have paid subscription, this might not show you all kind of templates, but this will show you some basics, so you need to choose accordingly. For now, I want to go with the clothing store, as I have selected that category, so this will automatically show me fashion and clothing templates. Now once you have selected your particular template, click on the edit, or you can also view it if you want to make sure how it will gonna look like. Now first, this will gonna ask us to enhance your AI content. If you want to consider it, go with it, otherwise let's skip for now. Now we have many options on our left side where we can customize each and everything according to our website. Like we can change images, layout, sections, we can create new headers or footers and all of that stuff. Now in order to start editing your website, or let's say you want to replace the images, what you need to do first is click on your website, and this will zoom in a little bit. Now there are a few things before I start editing the website. First thing is, you need to make sure that everything that you are adding in your website are within these safe margins. If it is not within the safe margin, if like a customer with a small screen size or a large screen size want to purchase product from your website, and whenever that particular person land on your main page, and if he see a half cut image or half cut product images, you can lose a potential customer. So first of all, I recommend you to make sure everything is within the safe margin, even the header. So as for the header, most templates use the strips, which is very convenient. You just gonna need to click on the stretch and make sure that it is within the page, and this is how it will gonna look like. If I zoom in a little bit, as you can see, everything is within the position. Now make sure that your images are within the safe margins as well. So I will simply do something like that, and there you go. So by default, if you want to change your particular image, click on the manage media, and you can now select your image that you want to include. You can click on add media, click on image and choose your particular image, either from the site file where you will gonna store all kind of images of your, but the limit is 500 MB, so you need to make sure to keep that in mind. Otherwise, click on upload media, and you have many options to import your particular image. You can use Instagram, Facebook, Google Drive and all kind of social media platforms, but if you have your specific image, you just gonna need to click on it, and then you just need to select your particular image. Once you do so, you just need to wait for it to fully load up. After that, you can either crop it or you can also edit it, which is a good option. Otherwise, click on add to page. Now this will gonna edit something like that. So in order to replace it, you just need to click on the three dots and click on the remove and simply place it just like this. So once you are done, click on the done button and there you go. It is a bit off, so let's just adjust it right now. Alright, so this is looking much better. Now as for the product page, again make sure that it is within the given margin. If I zoom in a little bit, let's see how this will gonna look like. So by default it has the responsiveness, which you don't need to worry about. It will automatically adjust it according to any screen size. Now if you are creating a website with the complete scratch, I recommend you to make sure to use the strip. This comes in very handy. You just gonna need to click on it and you just need to make sure to add a column. Make sure to add two columns, and this is where you can add your text just like this and add your graphics just like here. So whenever you do so, especially for a custom built website, this will be much better. Now as for the text, you just need to click on it and click on it quick edit by clicking on this pencil icon on the top right corner, and you have all kind of options to adjust your header. We have strip background. If I click on it, I can change it according to my will, and I can also add video. We have our paragraph, which is on the top of our screen, like you can add sales or 50% off, 10% off, whatever campaign you are running on your business. Now as for the quick edit, you can edit mostly text here. Let's say I want to change the T shop to G shop just like so. If I hit enter, this will gonna kind of change like my logo. So edit, so you can change each and everything within the quick edit. If I click on this particular section, as you can see, I have my own separate quick edit bar. Now let's say I want to again change G shop as an example, and as you can see, it has changed it right away. And if I click on the bottom of the section, as you can see, again we have many options like text, section background. If I want to add my custom background, let's say I want to add gradient, this is how this will gonna look like. You can again change it back to whatever the color was. So in this case it was white. Now in the quick edit, you will only be able to edit some basic needs. In order to change your products, you can click on the manage products, and this will open up a new section where this will gonna show you the products that is added in your list. In order to add your product, you just need to click on new product on the top right corner. Select whether it's a physical product or a digital product. For now, let's go for the physical product. In case you are selling kind of like digital art, you need to go for the digital. Otherwise, click on the add image and add your particular image, your basic info, your name, your category, and all kind of basic information. Make sure to add the cost and all kind of on-screen instructions. So once you are done, this will gonna show up right in your product section. So that's the basic way of how you can create a Wix website.